little more than a few old guns handed down the line. Once owned by my nana and pawpaw, but now they're mine. We've been all the way to Utah, then back home to Texas again. They've seen Colorado, Wyoming, and the Grand Canyon, and hunting trips in the freezing snow and out before the sun. They have it now, they're a part of me. I got the gun. Never really got to know him, I was much too young. He died on the Corpus Christi Bay when I was one. A Christian man I barely knew, he was oh so proud of me. He ran the nursery at the church for free.